We parked, but something's wrong. Leave the car, look around. Everything's okay at the back. The gaps are equal on the right and the left. But what about the front? Here the gap is more narrow, and here it is wider. So tempted to move the car with your hands. This situation is quite common. However, it is very easy to solve the problem. When you park, stop 20-30 centimeters short of your final position. Make an intermediary stop and ask yourself, should I adjust the front of the car, like this? You only need short distance to solve this problem. How? As easy as ABC. Turn the steering wheel fully to the side and move 20-30 centimeters backwards. The front of the car will adjust its position. And your car will be parallel to other cars. If you decide to move further, you need to do it with straight steering wheel and straightened wheels. Now we only need to solve the problem with the steering wheel. Which side should you turn it to? All learned drivers get confused, but only in the beginning. You need to think. Point to the direction where you need to go. If you turn the wheel in that direction, the rear of the car will go that way as well. Where are you pointing to? What side are you turning the wheel to? That's where the rear of the car will go. While the front of the car lives by different laws. The steering wheel should go to the opposite direction. Where do you want to turn the front of the car? Turn the wheel to the opposite direction. Keep it in mind. Where was the finger pointing to? What side did you turn the wheel to? So, the back of the car will go to the same direction, while the front will go to the opposite direction. And vice versa. If you want to turn your front to go to that direction, turn the steering wheel to the opposite direction. But there is another way. Turn the steering wheel to any side. If it becomes worse, turn it to another direction, fully to the side. And you'll see, the problem is solved. This way, learner drivers usually get confused for 1 or 2 weeks. Then, the hands learn to do it automatically. Test it on learner drivers. That's all. See you later. The author of this lesson is Sergei Novakshonov, translated by Ksenia Kogan, Prima Vista Translation Agency. Beginner drivers think that bay parking is very difficult. However, one can always find an easy way to solve this